This is the guidance film for the history book check homework that you've been set by your teacher. I'm going to take you through the instructions for completing this task as well as you can. Remember, your exercise book is a reflection on both your commitment to your learning and the respect you show for both your teacher and the subject that they teach. It needs to be of the highest standard to reflect the work that goes into both your learning and the teaching that you get. First things first then, the school operates a system called IaCT. The two symbols that reflect IaCT are the cross inside a circle and the C inside a circle. You need to go through your exercise book and identify wherever this symbol has been put in the book, and you need to do the additional work required to complete that task. That will show that you are an effective learner attempting to improve your understanding and your performance. Secondly, where you see the C inside a circle, that indicates a correction. Your teacher may or may not have actually provided you guidance on how to correct that spelling. What we need you to do is use a dictionary and make sure that you have corrected all of those spellings. You need to work through your book to make sure all of that is done. Moving on now. What you need to do is go through your exercise book and determine what you are doing right and what you need to improve on. Look through each of the statements listed here in the What Went Well section of this particular worksheet. All of these illustrate the exact kind of standards that we need you to be in order to be an effective learner in class. If you think you're doing these, tick the relevant box. If you think they are things that you can improve upon, you obviously need to tick the IaCT. Set the targets that you are going to improve upon. Whatever you tick in the IaCT column, you must then go back through your book and make sure that you do it. In the box down here, could you please comment on what you are enjoying in the learning and teaching that's going on in history? Can you also let us know constructively what you are not enjoying? This is part of the student voice process at Plymstock School, where we listen actively to what you, the students, are thinking about. And secondly, identify down here what actions you could undertake to be a better student and a better learner in history. Use the feedback and the guidance that you have made upon reflecting on your own work to help you complete these two sections.